Cornelius. Hey, Zeus. I see we're ready for another round of Magic Mixies. Oh, but this time, they've gone mini. And there's 90 to collect. We might be here a while. So I say, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z. This is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And today, as part of Mixember, we are bringing you the Magic Mixies Minis. Just when you thought they couldn't get any cuter, they've gone extra tiny. This is the Shimmerverse series, which basically means they all look like they've been dunked in glitter. And as part of this series, there are 90 to collect. That's a lot. That's a lot. On these mini packs, you get to see 3 in the package, and then there's a cauldron with a mystery one. So let's just start cracking these things open. Now, what's going to be fun is Zeus's favorite thing to do is take tiny things and steal them and bat them all over the house. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. So we have our checklist. There are 5 gimmicks or 5 different types. So we have starlight ones that glow in the dark, ice ones that change color with cold water, sun ones that change color in the sun, rainbow ones, again, putting in the water, and moonstone, which is just glow again. There's, of course, rarity levels, and the ultra rare one that will light up on its own. I need a bigger table. The cauldron is actually really detailed and cute. I'm going to be saving these and putting magical supplies in them. Got a little rocky bird. Like a bear, a bird, and a merkitty. So this tail is very destructive. Again, cute little cauldron. Sleepy critter creature. Did you just run off with that tissue paper? At least I get my table back. Oh my god, a cute little moth creature. Oh my god, and the chunkiest, chubbiest Mixie I've ever seen in my life. Oh, this one is in there. I want my magic. Oh, oh my god, it's a mermoose. Bird, owl-like creatures. Little dragon. Wait. Okay. So, some of them, you brought the tissue paper back. Thanks. Some of them are just solid plastic that are translucent with glitter through, whatever they're made out of. I'm just realizing some of them are actually hollow with glitter inside them. Just me frantically waving at the screen for no reason. Trust me, there's glitter in here. Some chunky, adorable mer creature. I gotta say, the designs in these are really cool. We're talking a lot of different species, body types. I'm enjoying this. Squirrel creature, seahorse-like. Ooh, it's another chubby owl. Last one. Oh my god, there's a sheep, unicorn, and like a crystal bear with some icy fairy wings. Oh look, Zeus, it's a glitter-filled merkitty. Ran off with the Mixie. I'll be right back. I gave you the tissue paper so you would not run off with Mixies. Overall, I gotta say, this is a delightful little addition to the Mixie family. Somehow the act of making things tinier also makes them cuter. It's also surprising the amount of detail, like the actual paint on these things. There's all sorts of, I don't know, just cool face paint designs on each one of them. At least, not a lot of plastic waste because, oh my god, I'm using these. These are going to be my spices or my herbs or stones or I don't know what, but it has truly become an invasion and I'm so okay with that. So okay, and we have more. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Well, again, you've been warned. It's going to be another episode of Mixies. Yeah! Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye! And here we have the latest invasion of Magic Mixies Minis. Gaggle, a herd, a flock, I don't know what you call. Just a delightful amount of Mixies. And now we know how many that we got that glow.